Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Gather 70% plus isopropyl alcohol, a clean microfiber, a plastic scraper, and masking tape. Once you have supplies, test the alcohol on an inconspicuous panel. This confirms paint safety. Make sure to work in shade and keep the panel cool, because heat changes solvent action. Tape any trim or seams to avoid accidental contact. Then apply alcohol to the cloth. Do not soak the paint, and gently rub the marker edge to see if ink lifts. You proceed with controlled technique. Use small, gentle circular motions and alternate between an alcohol-dampened microfiber and a fresh, dry cloth to lift ink rather than spread it. If ink remains, knead a clay bar lubricated with a quick detailer over the mark. This mechanically removes residue without harsh scraping. For particularly stubborn pigment, a dedicated automotive detailing solvent works, but use sparingly and retest. Always check the clear coat by running a fingernail lightly. If you finish by removing any solvent residue, wash the area with car soap and water, dry, then apply wax or paint sealant to restore protection. Once done, inspect under varied light angles to ensure no ghosting remains. If the marker won't budge after safe methods, stop and consult a professional detailer before attempting sanding or repainting. That prevents irreversible damage. If the clear coat looks dull, gently polish with a non-abrasive compound, then reseal the area to protect your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.